executive contributions from the floor.
And here is the communique. The meeting was declared open by His Excellency Samuel Ortom, who spoke on the dire need for the state to improve on its internally revenue generation. The governor expressed dismay at the rate at which revenue meant for the state government is being diverted through ways like illegal collection, multiple taxation by several unapproved groups, among others. After exhaustive deliberations, the meeting resolved as follows. 1, that the state government, through the Executive Council, will without delay send an amendment to the State House of Assembly to plug the loopholes in the existing law that have left gaps for revenue leakages. 2, that all revenues collected by ministries, departments, and agencies must be paid into the State Consolidated Revenue Fund according to the law. 3, that local government chairmen must desist henceforth from multiple taxation in their council areas, thereby discouraging traders from coming into Benue State to buy produce, which has led to the worst and decline in internally generated revenue base of the state. 4, that some MDAs who have formed the habit of diverting monies collected from payee should desist from this unwholesome practice as it contravenes the state revenue generation laws. 5, that illegal revenue collection checkpoints should be dismantled forthwith, as any person or group of persons caught operating such illegal revenue collection checkpoints shall be punished. 6, that the office of the Secretary to State Government should convene a meeting between the Board of Internal Revenue Service and local government chairmen and supporting staff to know the revenue items accruing to local government and state in order to streamline the collection of same. 7, any person, irrespective of how highly placed you may be, who violates the law on revenue shall be sanctioned. Thank you very much.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.